What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to export your CapCut videos to your gallery on mobile. To get started, open CapCut and tap on Edit at the bottom left. You can either create a new project or open an existing project. Once inside, edit your video as needed by trimming clips, adding effects and making any final adjustments. Once your editing is complete, it's time to set your video's metadata. At the top right, tap on the resolution button, where you can adjust the resolution, frames per second and code rate. Choose the setting that best fits your needs, keeping in mind that a higher resolution in FPS will result in a larger file size. After setting the metadata, tap on the export button to begin processing your video. If you're using the free version of CapCut, you may see an ad before the export completes. Wait for the export process to finish and then you will see a screen with different sharing options. By default, CapCut prompts you to share your video on TikTok. But if you want, you can save it to your gallery. Tap on the three dots below the Share to TikTok option. This will open the More Options pop-up menu. From there, select Save Video, and it will be saved directly to your device's gallery. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.